Hey everyone, I'm Amber. Welcome back to my channel where we will be discussing everything fashion, beauty, and lifestyle with a specific focus on plus size fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Today, super excited. I got my FabFitFun box in the mail. It was a little delayed because of all the mail for the holidays coming out, but I just got back from Christmas with the family and I see it waiting for me. So super excited to open it up. FabFitFun, if you are not familiar, is a subscription box. It comes seasonally, so 4 times a year. The spring one is in March, the summer one is in June, fall comes in September, and then winter comes in December. For the subscription box, you can choose to be billed every season and it's $49.99, or you can pay for the year all at once, which is $179.99, and that's a $20 savings. I love the FabFitFun box because you can go and you can personalize a few items in there, but then also like it's kind of a surprise what the other items are. And I find that a lot of the things that I get in the boxes are things that I wouldn't necessarily have tried on my own. So it's cool to be able to kind of like indulge in some products that, you know, may be ones that you wouldn't have chosen, you wouldn't have tried, and then you find you really like them. The box contains over $200 worth of items, and they are full-size products. And like I said, you're only paying $49.99, so that's really a great deal. And you guys, so I've been doing it for 2 years. I have some starter boxes, which are like, try it out, see if you like it. I think you get 3 full-size products in those, and I've got about 10 of them stashed up now. So the first 10 people who are interested in trying it, they're free. I think you just have to pay shipping and handling. Just leave a note down below. Also, great segue, make sure you comment, like, subscribe, set up notifications for my channel. I'm going to be dropping new videos weekly. You know, lots of hauls, lots of fashion facts, you know, unboxings, head-to-head type of things in certain categories. So we have a lot of fun things planned for the channel. So here is the Winter 2020 box. Nice little star detail on there. And I love that the actual box that they ship in is the one that the items are in. So that cuts down on any wasted packaging. And what's inside? So here is the first open. It's got the little FabFitFun on the inside, and then some packing paper to keep things covered. Every box has one of these little magazines. This month has Katie Couric on the front, and they have different articles in there, but it'll also show all the details on the products that you have in your box. So let me page through this. Editor's note, and then what's in the box. So this is a combination of things that you already selected, plus some of the things that they put in as mystery gifts. So this will be fun to kind of go through and see what the items are, as well as what they retail for. And otherwise, this is a first look at what's in my box. The first item in my box is from Botanic Beauty, and it's Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels. And the ingredients, well, they brighten, hydrate, and depuff. Hero ingredients are cucumber, rose extract, green tea, and hyaluronic acid. It's ideal for tired and overworked eyes, jet lag, and pre-party prep. There's 4 individually wrapped masks in here. And according to the little booklet, place these hyaluronic acid infused eye gels on the under eye area to reduce any puffiness. They retail for $25. So let's open them up and see what they look like. So there's 4 individual pouches. There's 2 patches on each pouch, 1 for each eye. I can actually open one to show you. Sacrifice one of my patches to show you. Okay, so they're blue. I don't know if you can see that. Put it over here. There we go. They're blue jelly. Excited to try these out. Next in my box is by Voir, not quite sure on that one. It is Rhythm of the Rain Hair Mask and Scalp Detox. It says, natural butters, oils, and botanicals work to restore scalp health while infusing locks with vital nutrients. It retails for $28. Let's get a smell of this. Ooh, that smells really good. It's like a little sweet, but not over sweet. I'm really curious. I tend to have really fine hair, so I wonder if it's gonna be too heavy for my locks, but I'll have to try it and I'll give you guys a review after I do. Next in my box, it is by Daily Concepts, and it's a daily facial dry brush. So I actually have one of these for body, but this one is for your face, which is really interesting. The little details in the magazine say, use the dry brush on your forehead, nose, chin, cheeks, and neck to stimulate lymphatic pathways and reduce puffiness. It retails for $20, and if I can get this open, let's see what it looks like. Okay, so here is the little brush. It's pretty soft. Like the one for the body is a lot coarser, so glad. I was a little nervous, but yeah, I think that'll be really nice. It has a wooden handle, and then I'm pretty sure they're, I don't know if they're boar bristle, but soft enough little brush, and then a little hanging loop for storage. Next in my box are Paradox Los Angeles Lucky Stars Blemish patches. Sorry, the light is a little bit hard to see. Let's see. Breakouts happen, stars misalign, but fear not, it's not the end. Cute enough to be worn during the day, Lucky Star Blemish patches are packed with powerful natural ingredients that team up to suck out impurities, soothe the skin, and reduce the potential for scarring, so you can shine like the star you are. They have tea tree oil and calendula oil. 2 powerful natural antimicrobial ingredients team up to soothe and reduce for potential for scarring. It says to use, you cleanse and completely dry the skin before applying. Peel the patch from the sheet and apply it to cover the blemish. Leave on for at least 1 hour or overnight. For best results, use 6 hours or more. The little booklet says, pesky blemishes stand no chance against these patches, and they retail for $18. Let's open them up and see what they look like. I've seen these patches before, not these ones, but patches that are similar that are like skin color or clear. So curious if these are like statement makers or they'll disappear. Okay, definitely statement makers. I don't have any active blemishes right now, but let's put one on just to see what that would look like. A little beauty mark. Maybe put it All right, it's like you get a 1 chance stick. Yep. It might be my makeup's fault though. Well, I don't know. What are your guys' thoughts? Would you wear black, very visible colored star patches outside of the house? Something that maybe you just wear overnight? Leave your thoughts down below. Next in my box is Laura Geller Cinnamon and Spice Eyeshadow Palette. Let's see what this looks like. The magazine says, achieve warm daytime and smoky nighttime looks with 12 crease-proof shades. It retails for $45. And let's see if I can open this and show you the palette inside. As you guys can tell, I've been playing around with some of the more pinky mauve tones. So really excited to be able to also play with some of these. I swatched a couple of the shades for you. So those are here. Really pretty kind of updates to neutrals, and they look like they'll blend well with each other too. I find I have deep set eyes, so I can kind of get away with a little bit more pigmented tones because once my eyes are open, they kind of disappear a little bit. I also find that with the deep set eyes, I actually like a little bit of shimmer to kind of capture some more light into the depths of my eyelids. So I'm really excited to try this one out. Ooh, exciting. Okay, next in my box, I have Impressions Vanity Company Touch Highlight LED Makeup Mirror. It's like this. And it says high definition, distortion free makeup mirror, soft touch sensor dimmer switch, long lasting daylight LED lights, and dual power source. It is in the color white, and it says this mirror features a bright white LED light strip at the touch of a sensor button to help protect your perfect your makeup rather. And it retails for $45. So it comes with the base, with the mirror, super easy construction here. And then it also comes with batteries, which is really nice. I just remember being a kid and everything is like batteries sold separately and you're like, man, all I want to do is play with it now. So I like that they included this. So here is the mirror all set up. Oh, I feel like it said something about a dimming light, but it's definitely showing me all the things. Let's see. Yeah, I think that'll be nice for my dresser, just to have some sort of mirror there. The head does tilt also, which is really nice. It's not fog free. Last in my box is by Blemish. It's Salone Champagne Flutes. So excited. They are dishwasher safe, which is always a win. Let's see, where are they in here? So there are 4 of them in the box. And it says drink your favorite champagne from these sleek flutes. And they are $51 retail. I open them to show you what they look like. They're all packaged really nice and safe in bubble wrap. Ooh, so they are stemless. I do like this shape here. Really pretty. Yeah, just really nice, easy flutes. So that's the end of my box. Lots of really great fun products in there. Really excited to try the facial brush, and then the scalp treatment, as well as this eyeshadow palette. I feel like that's gonna be a staple for this time of year for me. The champagne flutes, let's talk about that. I might have to go try those out for science purposes only right away. But yeah, once again, always fun, always a nice little surprise, kind of a nice way to give myself some self-care and a little bit of spoiling and indulgence. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, I do have 10 free starter boxes. So just direct message me or leave a comment if you're interested, and we'll get in touch and I can get those sent off to you. It would just be the cost of shipping and handling. So yeah, if you have any questions, thoughts, comments, what was your favorite product that I showed you today? Are there any that you would love me to try and then post a follow-up on? Let me know. Also subscribe, like, comment, share, all the good things, and we will see you next time.